Dear students, this is Praveen Agrawal from Management Department, RMT Chandosi. Welcomes you in today's lecture of Operations Research. Today, we are going to discuss maximization case in assignment problem. In previous lecture, we discussed the minimization case in assignment problem, but in today's lecture we will discuss the maximization case. The example is here. A company operates in 4 territories and 4 salesmen available for assignment. Annual sales of each salesman in each territory is given in the sales matrix as follows. So here you are given a matrix. Salesman A, B, C, D. 4 salesmen are there. 4 territory are there. First, second, third and fourth. The sales by each salesman in each of the territory is given in the matrix. Find the assignment of salesman to territory that will result in maximum sales. So here we have to assign salesman to territory in order to maximize the sales, because this is the question of maximization. So first of all, the first step in Hungarian method is we have to convert the maximization problem into minimization, and this is done by taking the maximum element from the table. The maximum element from the table is 42. Just subtract all the elements from this maximum value and get the new table as follows. 42 minus 42, 0. 42 minus 35, 7. 42 minus 28, 14. 42 minus 21, that is 21. 42 minus 30, 12. 42 minus 25, 17. 42 minus 20, 22. 42 minus 15, 27. 42 minus 30, again 12. 42 minus 25, 75, 17. 42 minus 20, 22. 42 minus 15, 27. 42 minus 24, 18. 42 minus 20, 22. 42 minus 16, 26. 42 minus 12, that is 30. So this is the new matrix. This is the minimization matrix. Okay, now step second, we have to take minimum element from each of the row. Minimum element is 0. This will be subtracted from all these elements of the row A. Minimum element is 12 in row B. In row C, minimum element is 12. And in row D, the minimum element is 18. By subtracting, we have the new matrix as follows. 0 minus 0, 7 minus 0, 14 minus 0, 14, 21 minus 0, 21. 12 minus 12, 17 minus 12, 5, 22 minus 12, 10, 27 minus 12, that is 15. 12 is the minimum element. 12 minus 12, 0. 17 minus 12, 5. 22 minus 12, 10. 27 minus 12, 15. Minimum is 18. 18 minus 18, 0. 22 minus 18, 4. 26 minus 18, 8. 30 minus 18, that is 12. Now repeat the same process for column. Minimum is 0. In second column, minimum is 4. In third column, minimum is 8. And in fourth column, minimum is 12. So we have the new table as follows. 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 element is minimum. 7 minus 4, 3. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 4, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. And 4 minus 4, that is 0. In the third, we have 8 minimum. 14 minus 8, 6. 10 minus 8, 2. 10 minus 8, 2. 8 minus 8, 0. In the last column, 12 is minimum. 21 minus 12, 9. 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 12, 3. And 12 minus 12, 0. So we have this reduced matrix. Now make assignment. Let's copy the previous table. 0, 3, 6, 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. Make assignment. In the first row, there is the single 0. Make assignment. Just cross off all the corresponding column elements. No 0 is there, no 0 is there, 3 zeros are there, 4 zeros are there. Come to the column. Assignment done. 1 0. Assign this 0. Cross off, cross off. Now no possibility is there. So we see that only 2 assignments are there. In 2 rows B and C there is no assignment. So we will move towards the next step of Hungarian method. We will cover all the zeros with lines as follows. Tick the rows having no assignment. In row B and row C no assignment is there. Just check whether there is any 0 corresponding to that tick row. This is the row. Tick corresponding column. In the same case 0 is there. This has been already ticked. Now check the column. Check the tick column and check whether any assigned 0 is there. This is the 0 assigned. Corresponding row will be ticked. Now cover ticked column and unticked row. So this particular row, this particular column will be covered and this particular row will be covered. Okay, so we have the new solution as follows. What we have to do now, in the uncovered elements just search the minimum element. This is 1. Subtract it from uncovered element, add to the cross section, and others have no effect. So we have the new table 0 0 0 0 plus 1 1 0 0 0 3 minus 1 2 6 minus 1 5 9 minus 1 8 1 minus 1 0 2 minus 1 1 3 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 0 2 minus 1 1 3 minus 1 2. Okay, again make assignment. Here single 0, assign it, cross off, cross off. Okay, in the second 2 zeros are there, 2 zeros are there, 3 zeros are there. Come to the columns. Already assigned. 3 zeros are there, 1 0 is there. Assign this 0, cross off, cross off. Okay, in the fourth there is no 0 to be assigned. Now again we have only 2 zeros assigned. 2 rows are assigned. Come to the Hungarian method steps. Revised matrix will be obtained. Tick the row which has no assignment. The row B and row C has no assignment. Check whether any 0 is there in this row. 0 0. Tick the columns. Tick tick. Second row, tick row C. Same zeros are there in the same column, first and second. Now check column first. Assigned 0 is there. Corresponding row is A, ticked. Here no assigned 0 is there. Now cover the columns which are ticked with a line. This one, first column and second column, and the row which has not been ticked. Again, uncovered elements, search minimum element from uncovered elements, that is 1. Subtract from uncovered elements and add to the intersection point. Rest no effect. So we have 0 0 0 1 plus 1 2 2 0 0 0 plus 1 1 5 minus 1 here 0 and here 0. 5 minus 1 4, 8 minus 1 7, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1. Now again make assignment. The 0 will be assigned, rest cross off, corresponding column zeros cross off, 3 zeros 3 zeros 2 zeros. Come to the column assigned, 2 zeros 3 zeros 1 0, assign it, 1 0 is there, cross off this. Now we have the two opportunities there. This will be assigned, then this one and this one cross off, or this is assigned, then this one or this one is cross. So we have the two alternative optimal solution from this given matrix as follows: 0 2 4 7, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1, 2 1 0 0, 0 2 4 7, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 0 1, 2 1 0 0. Assigned, cross off, cross off. This is assigned, cross off. This is assigned, cross off, cross off. This is assigned, cross off. Now make assignment of this. This is cross off, this is cross off, and this one is assigned. Make assignment of this. This one is cross off, this one is cross off, this is assigned. So we have the two alternative optimum assignments. On this basis, we can have two assignment sets as follows: salesman A, B, C, D. A will be assigned to first, B to second, C to third, and D to fourth. A first, B second, C third, and D fourth. In the second set, we have A to first, B to third, C to second, D to fourth. So A, B, C, D. A to first, B to third, C to second, and D to fourth. Now the corresponding values will be searched in the original table as follows. So we have this one as follows. Just check this table. This is the original table. A first 42, B second 25, C third 20, and D fourth 12. This is the first pattern. Second pattern is A first 42, B third 20, C second 25, and D fourth is equal to 12. So write it down in the set. Inside first, A first is 42, B second is 25, C third is 20, and D fourth is 12. And the total is 5 to 7 to 9, 4 to 6 to 8 and 1 9. Total is 99. Come to the assignment set second. A first 42, B third 20, C second 25, and D fourth 12. Total will be same 99. 4, 2 plus 5 7 plus 2 9, 4 to 6 to 8 1 9. The answer is same in both the cases, but the pattern is different in both the alternative solutions. But both are known as the optimal assignment solution of the given assignment problem. Thank you.